The one and only. After me, the rest is garbage. um, bonjour mal travail. C'est de mal travail, c'est comme mal travail, mais d'accord, ma veille. Quand il y a pas de mauvais cas d'amnan dit montrer, bah ça, je te chita dans le salon la caille. Belle bagaille. Quand il m'a expliqué d'amnan process, like, m'a expliqué comment pour service la marché qui ça pour faire tout bail ça yo. C'est comme ça mari dame nan vin paraître. Mais c'est en africain. It's like, what's going on? And the wife was like, oh baby, his name is so and so, he work for this company, he's just here to do an advertisement. Hey, shut up you, I'm not talking to you yet. What? Hey, young man, what are you doing in my living room? I said, shut up. What are you doing in my living room? And she said, shut up. I'm asking you a question, you don't even answer me. Well, you don't give me, shut up. I want to know what are you doing in my living room? Who put you here? And that's when his wife was like, baby, hey you, I will deal with you later. I will deal with you. Now I'm dealing with him. I want to know what are you doing in my living room? Man, I was shaking like a bird. Because in my mind, I think this guy gonna kill me. He said, you know what, young man? I'm gonna give you the chance. I'm giving you the chance to live. If I ever come back to this house, I find you, I will kill you. Okay? I just, I won't know wait. Until I find out they're not Haitian. Pendant que j'étais dans la classe là avec les élèves, quand j'entendais moi aider à parler de loin. Like, l'on cap de loin en Afrique à parler, on pense que c'est créole à parler parce qu'il faut pas oublier que culture nous c'est Afrique. Au bon qu'on y a tout le monde approché et comme si ce langage là a détourné dans l'autre sens, dans l'autre style. And then when I get close, I heard the guy was like, "Et tu me dis hey, hey, bon qu'on y est dans ah, tu as compris que hey, oh, et tu as compris dans, et tu as ah, quoi n'a hey, boum, hey, good gars, hey, tu comprends que oui, tu as compris, ah, what you think, and I fell in love with it. And I was telling my friend, Martin et yo, m'entendais africain parler, qu'on y a, on commence à expliquer partenaire, j'aime africain parler, et bagage chance comme ça, l'aime vie d'homme, moi africain a, c'était des d'homme, qu'on y a juste tombé parce que moi béri. You said, Dean, I do not like what you do. Are you making fun of my language? Did I ever make fun of your language? Did I make fun of your language, Dean? Then don't do that to me. Because I do not make fun of your language. Yes, that's a stupidity. You stupid young man. You stupid. Okay? I say you stupid young man. Okay? And it's for some reason I'm very African because I'm born in Latino African. And my African brother. Peace.